Kasi...
Touche. Ay, pasabog.
Sa'yo mo na. What's that, ate?
Hi Shay, just want you to know na you bring such joy in my day and in my life. Super aliw sa lahat na live mo. Guess what? I never miss one. Love you, Shay. Kim. Hi, Kim! Totoo ba yan? Napakaano mo naman. Ay, perfect.
Ay, scarf! Ano ang gusto mo?
Huwag masyado.
Baga kinom.
Hala! Ang cute! Okay, let's try it.
Ay, ang bango. Ay, si Cookie makakalaban mo ngayon.
Ang cute.
DJ
Okay.
Cookie on the mix.
Thank you so much. Sino nagbigay nun? Kim, thank you, Kim. Okay, next gift.
Ay,
is
ayaw mo
for-
ba, Aday?
Hi, Shay Shweke. You make me laugh every time.
Oh my God, what is in that?
Shay Shweke, you make me laugh every time I watch you and Kiana in your live. But what amazes me more is your different moods or emotion. So far, bilis mag-shape and that's inspiration behind the gift. Just change the face on whatever your mood is. I hope you enjoy my simple gift.
Oo, mag-change ang naong ana.
Totoo?
Yes, I
To
think
Shay
so.
Shweke from BG Marian Cuarto. Ay!
Yawa na. Gupa, diritso. Kapanabrihan.
Ayan, ang cute. Change ba yung mood? Ay! Hello, ang cute! Perfect! I love it! Wala, ang ganda nito. I love it!
I love it.
Thank you, Marian! I like it.
Nabi performance ni nga na do in real life na kanang mag-pick change ilang naman.
Ano ba?
Mga
Hello,
ano
I
dahil-
love it. Pwede ba ito siya ilabas? Baka bawal naman ito ilabas. Baka may mag-comment na naman dyan, wag mong ilabas siya. Bawal yan. Dyan lang yan talaga siya sa loob. Ayan. Perfect. Okay.
Amin na. Ano nga isiksik dyan? Amin na yung iba.
Next game.